tea.
It's dripping. Drip it over the trash. No, keep more. Do some more. Here, a little bit more peeling.
Hey.
Yeah, here. Some more. Almost done peeling the orange. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, taste it. Lick it. Lick it. Mmm. What do you think? Try it again. It's like orange juice. Lick it. It's orange juice. Mm-hmm. Kristen, you like orange juice. Mm-hmm. You drink it, orange juice. That's orange. It's got juice in it. Drink the juice from the orange. Try the juice?
No.
Oh, yeah. Gonna try the orange juice. Mmm. Yeah. Okay, good job.